A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. You know how summer we stay. In fact, no for we stay so. We are looking at other people and see the wrong something them with them do, and we are judge them feet, and we now realize say we also are the wrong things where we can get judged for. And the thing about it, is that God no partial. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And of course, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, then please don't wait. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will not miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from Paul's letter to the Romans, them, chapter 2, from verse 1 to verse 16. When you see all of you, we are judge other people, no matter who you be, you never can say nothing when God come to judge the world. Because when you are judge other people, it come in like you are judge yourself. Because the wrong sitting them with them I do, are the same sitting I do too. And all we know say God right for judge everybody where do they sitting there. But all we know where judge other people, they sitting them where I judge other people for, and where I do, not think say God I go judge for them too. Really think he go just make get way so. God take him time with him put up with and him not punish same time when do wrong. Not see say God good to know. Or a care not care about this in there. Not see say God kind to know. Because him try to get to turn away from sin and sorry for the wrong way do too. But cause hard years and make up mind, say not turn away from sin. Make things hard for yourself. But the day when God come back to judge the world, he might go punish He might go show say him vex with the people them who are sin, and he might go punish them. And he might go punish harder than the rest of people them. God, we give everybody what them forget. He will pay them based on what them do. You have some people who live right and we always are do good for other people. Them people there want God to talk good about them. Them want him to big them up and make them live forever. And at them the people that God are going to make live forever and ever. But you have some other people with own business about themselves. Them don't do nothing to help other people. They make up their mind, say them not do it right. Them only go do what God say wrong. Them people there, God are go show them say him vex with them. He might go punish them hard. The people them where do all kind of wickedness, God are go make them feel no pain. He might go make them suffer. He might go do that to people who are Jew and to people who are not Jew. But the people them, wherever do good and where live right, God go big them up and talk good about them. He might go give them peace in them hearts. God go do that for people who are Jew and people who are not Jew too. Because God no partial. Him treat everybody the same. The people who don't know God law still are going to get punished for them sin. God go judge them based on what them do. The people who know God law and still a sin are going to get punished too. God are going to use the law to judge them. Because God make things right between him and the people who hear the law and follow all what it say. Knowing the people them will just hear it, but not follow it. The people who are not Jew, them never get God law. So them no know what the law say. So when them do this sitting them with the law say people for do, that show so them know what right from what wrong. What them do show say they sitting them with the law teach right down in them heart. And they sitting them where them think show say a true too. Cause them own a conscience will tell them if what them a do right or if it wrong. The same thing when we preach, and the same thing will go happen on the day when Jesus come back to judge the world. He might go judge people based on what them think and what them do. Even the sit them what them do in a secret. And God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.